it's me eating soy sauce for breakfast. And yes, I am really eating soy sauce. It's yummy. Good. I'm gonna go get water. Right? Hi. Okay, me back.
You're not eating Longani today?
And this is soy sauce.
No, that's not.
It's been 20 now. Dapat natin ikukuhan. How about the Longani style? You're not eating that one?
Yeah, I don't like it anymore. Anyways, bye. Love for me.